Every day, thousands of chocolate bars are made inside facilities like this.
All worker coming in morning hour works.
Welcome inside a modern chocolate factory. It all begins with cocoa beans. Carefully stored to preserve quality. Each batch is inspected before processing. The beans are roasted to develop flavor. Temperature control is critical.
Check temp control degrees, okay?
The shells are removed, leaving pure cocoa nibs behind. Refined to smooth texture. Next, the nibs are ground, creating cocoa liquor. Sugar and milk are added, blended to exact proportions. Air pockets are eliminated. Particles reduced to microscopic size. Conching enhances flavor. This process can take hours. Chocolate is carefully tempered. This creates shine and snap. Now it's shaped into bars. Bars are cooled slowly. Perfectly formed. Each bar is inspected. Weight accuracy is verified. Rich, smooth, refined. That signature snap. Wrapped for freshness. From bean to bar. Prepared for shipment. Palletized efficiently. Ready for global distribution.